Hi everybody, Tylah here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing nails. In this video, I will be using my Savillend Chrome Nail Powder. I will be adding it to my Nails Essentials Amazon list, and I'll link that below. But these are the powders. It comes 6 in a pack, and it has varying colors of pink and gold. This is the acrylic I will be using, and I use the Mia Secrets monomer as well. So as you can see, I've already glued my nails on with Young Nails. I'm now dusting it off. I did some filing to the tips, and I'm going in with my nail dehydrator. I've been telling y'all I'm gonna get a new one, and I am, I swear. And if you're this far into the video, please give me some love, subscribe to my channels, and hit that notifications button so you can stay up to date with all of my uploads. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, and I try to aim for around 12 p.m. but you know, stuff get a little hectic. So I'm going in with 2 coats of my Young Nails primer. Can't remember the full name of it, but it's a primer. Okay, you get the point. And now I'm gonna start with my acrylic application as per usual. Like I said, I'm using the Mia Secrets monomer as well. And yeah, I love their acrylic. I probably won't touch my Model 1s for a while. It's just really easy to distribute. I try to keep it to about 3 beads per finger. But I think I went a little bit too light with this application because I did experience some lifting at the cuticle area. So yeah, don't be like me. Make sure you put enough product, just not too much. Yeah, that's the hard part. So these are after just applying my acrylic, and I'm going to go in with my shaping. I'm going for like a tapered square today. I'm not doing my usual coffin. So yeah, so I'm going in with my 80 by 80 grit nail file, and I'm just trying to get some crisp edges, girl. Done busted out my rusty trusty dust collector, and now I'm gonna go in with my cuticle cleaning. I'm just cleaning up the cuticle area, and like I said, I probably did maybe I did a little bit too much filing because my cuticle area was a little thin with this application, and I experienced some lifting. Filing bit, and I'm just, you know, smoothing everything out, making sure everything is even. And this is what is good about the Mia Secrets. It basically evens out itself. It's self-leveling, so that means like you have less bumps and grooves and stuff in your acrylic when it comes time for filing, so it makes it so much easier. If you take anything from this video, get self-leveling acrylic, because girl, them bumps in the beginning was looking real rough. So now I'm using my 100 by 180 nail file grit. I believe I'm using the 100 side, and just doing more shaping, just trying to make sure everything is together. Shaping is what's really difficult for me. So yeah, I try to go in as much as I can. Hey yo, and make sure that everything is nice and even and to my liking. Can't tell, I'm trying not to talk too much so you can get some of these cool vibes, a nice, you know, whole thing going on. But anyway, now I'm buffing, buff, take out those scratches, and I'm gonna dust off and then go in with a lint-free wipe and some nail cleaner, and I'm gonna get all those, you know, little dusty particles and all that jazz off my nails so that I can start my base coat application. Okay, so disclaimer, once I start, this will be the chrome dust thingy I will be using. Once I start applying it, yeah, my camera angle sucked. I didn't get a good view of the actual application of the chrome polish, so I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, but like I said, like, I'm still getting used to this. It's very hard to do your own nails and to film it. That's my little tool. I really didn't need to purchase that. They give you your own things, but yeah, this thing took me like a half an hour to open. Me and my boyfriend were struggling. So as you can see, the camera angles suck. I do not have my hand in full view. So one thing I want to point out is that after I did my base coat, I had to do a top coat, then put the chrome over the top coat, and then apply another top coat. Why, I don't know, but all I know is that the shit looked right after that, so whatever. So yeah, this is me putting on my first layer of top coat, and then I'm gonna go in with the chrome polish. So what you're barely seeing is me trying to ombre the chrome dust into my the nail bed, not my real nail bed, but like what is supposed to be my nail bed where the acrylic is, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just rubbing it in, and it was super easy, super simple, took me no time. So I was really happy about that. It was really opaque. I probably should have went a little bit heavier with the chrome dust stuff, but yeah, only thing, once you use that little tip part that I'm applying with, most likely you gotta toss it. I can't really see myself being able to clean all that metallic dust off, but luckily they do give you extras in the pack. This is me going with my second layer of top coat, and yeah, I love my results. I could have went a little bit thinner with the shaping, the filing on the side, and I probably should have put a little bit more product on my cuticle. But other than that, I'm super happy with how this came out. That's, like, I feel like I'm making real improvement. Super exciting just to watch and be able to experience. So yeah, taps on my back. I feel good about myself. Guys, these are my results. So I'm super excited for these. I had really a good time doing them. I felt really good doing them. It's really nice to see yourself be able to do something and see it all come to fruition. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'm going in with my cuticle oil now. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think of these nails? Do you think that I am improving from what you've seen so far on my channel? But yeah, thanks for watching. Toodaloo.